Welcome to the 33rd lecture of Digital Electronics. In this lecture, you will have the basic idea how to convert Boolean expressions to logic diagrams. So, first I will show how to convert a Boolean expression to a basic logic diagram, and then after that I will show how to convert a given logic diagram into a corresponding Boolean expression. So coming into first example, convert the following Boolean expression into logic diagram. Or the question can be also be framed as realize a logic circuit or digital circuit for the following expression. Okay. So first question is f is equal to a b bar or a or b or c the whole bar. Okay. Now first of all, if you need to generate or if you need to realize a digital circuit, we need to know how many inputs are there. Here there are a, b and c. So total number of inputs is 3. So number of inputs is 3, and you have only one output. That is only one output. That is inputs are a, b and c. Now what is the first one? First one is a b bar. Okay. So first expression you can now see. First you need to give 3 inputs. So first you give 3 inputs like a, b, c. Now what is the first element? First element is a b bar. So you already said what is a b bar. A b bar can be formed with the help of NAND gate. Okay. So you form a NAND gate. A, B. So you get A, B bar. Okay. So A, B bar is ready. Now coming into the second one. Second one is what? Second one is A. So A is already there. So you can take A separately. Now you have to A, B bar or A. That means now you take these two. A, B bar or A. You need to OR it, right? A, B bar or A. So you need to OR these two. So A, B bar is there, A is there. So you take it and give an OR. So here what will you get? Here you will get A or A, B bar. Okay. That has to be taken with what? B or C whole bar. Okay. So B is there, you have to take B or C. So B or C whole bar can be realized using NOR gate. Okay. So B or C the whole bar. So first I will go with B or C. So I am taking B. B is there. Okay. And C is there. Yeah. Now B or C whole bar. So here what we get? This is B or C whole bar. Okay. Now these two things have to be again OR. Okay. So that gives function F. So here what I have done is I have realized this expression using gates. Okay, that is what I have done. Okay, So I think hope you have understood the concept of realizing a logic circuit based on this logic diagram. This can be also realized in other type. That means AB bar. AB bar by De Morgan's law. You can take it as A bar or B bar. Similarly, B or C whole bar. Using De Morgan's law, you can take it as B bar dot C bar. Therefore, F can be written as A bar or B bar or A or B bar dot C bar. Now this A bar dot A bar or A is equal to 1. So what is answer? 1 or B bar dot C bar. Okay. So whatever you are giving the input, okay, the final answer will be 1. 1 or anything. 1 or anything is always 1. Okay. So let us try to prove that also from here. Okay. Now suppose I am giving input as 0, 1, 0. Okay, let it be. Okay. Now, what is AB bar? 0.1. 0.1 is 0, 0 bar is 1. Okay. Now here B is 1 and C is 0. So what is B or C? 1 or 0? 1 or 0 is 1. 1 bar. 1 bar is 0. Okay. 1 bar is 0. Okay. And here you have 1. Okay. Now, next one is A or AB bar, that is 1 or 1. What is 1 or 1? 1 or 1 is 1. Now this F is 1 or 0. 1 or 0 becomes 1. Okay. Now we will take another example for your clarity. So let me take the value as when A is 0, C is 1 and B is 0. So I am taking 0, 0, 1. Okay. What is AB bar? 0.0 whole bar. That becomes 1. Now here what happens? What is B or C whole bar? What is B or C? 0 or 1? 0 or 1 whole bar is 1. Yeah. Okay. Now what happens? Now what is A or AB bar? Now you have here what is coming is 0. Now 1 or 0. Okay, 1 or 0. 1 or 0 is 1 itself. 1 or 0 is 1 itself. Then here what happens? Now here what will you get? 1 or 1. 1 or 1 is 1 only. Okay. So that is a track in which you are realizing this logic circuit. That means realizing the logic circuit based on this Boolean expression. Okay. So coming into second question. Coming into question number 2. Realize a logic circuit for the following expression. So the expression can be given as say let it be AB bar dot CD or A or B the whole bar dot CD bar. Okay. So you need to realize this expression. So number of inputs. So here you have inputs. Number of inputs is 4. And you have only one output. You have only one output. Output is 1. Okay. So I am taking A, B, C, D. 4 inputs are there. First you need to calculate AB bar. So A is there, B is there. AB bar means it comes from a NAND gate. It is AB bar. Now CD. CD means it is AND gate. So you will get CD. Okay. Now AB bar dot CD. AB bar dot CD means you should have again an AND gate. Yeah. So you will get AB bar dot CD. That is ordered with A or B whole bar. So you can have A or B NOR gate. So you can have A or B whole bar that is ANDed with CD whole bar. CD is here, so you can have NOT it. So you will get CD bar. Okay. So and that two are ANDed. So here what we get, A or B whole bar dot CD bar. Now comes or that or that. You will get the function F. Okay. So this is how you are realizing. This is how you are realizing the logic circuit from a Boolean expression. So I have given a basic idea about how to realize a logic circuit from a given Boolean expression. Now coming to next part. Coming to the third question. Realize a Boolean expression from the following logic circuit. So I am going to draw the circuit. So what we here we have is A, B. So we are having B, C, A, B. Then again. So here A, B, C. These small things are ANDed. Okay. So this is a logic circuit given. So you need to realize the expression. Now see, if you are looking to the inputs, how many inputs are there? There is only 3 inputs. That is A, B and C. Only 3 inputs are there. That is taken parallelly. That is all. Okay. So here what we get? At this point what we get is AB. This point you will get BC. This point you will get AB. What do we get here? This is A or AB. A or AB. What is it? So equal to A into B or 1. B or 1 is 1 itself. So here you will get A. Here what we get? B or BC. What is B or BC? Answer is B only. Here what do we get? AB. Yeah. You will get AB or C. So what is the final answer? It is A dot B dot AB or C. Okay. So we can write it as yeah. Now you can write it as function is equal to, you can write it as A, B and AB or C. So what is it? So if you are expanding it, that is AB. AB dot AB is AB itself, AB or ABC. Again here we can take AB as common. So AB into 1 or C. So what is it? So answer is AB because C or 1 is 1. C or 1 is 1. So if you need to realize this circuit, you no need to take the third input. So answer is already, so you can do it using an AND gate only. So get AB and you can keep C separately. You can keep C separately. Okay. So that is how you are realizing the Boolean expression. Now coming into next one. Yeah. Question is so the question is question number 4. Yeah. Reduce the following logic circuit to its simplest form. Okay. So it is like this. A is there. It is given to a NOT gate. Then A, B, both are given to a NOR gate. then B is noted. Yeah, B is noted. Then we're having a NOR gate, B, C. Then these two are odd. And these two are odd. And these two are ANDed. Okay. So we need to reduce this logic circuit into a very simple form. That is the question. So we will start analyzing from one point. A. Here we will get A bar. Here what do we get? A or B whole bar. Okay. What is A or B whole bar? That is A bar dot B bar according to De Morgan's law. So here what do we get? Here we get A bar or A bar dot B bar. What is it? Here A bar is common. So A bar and 1 or B bar. 1 or B bar is 1 itself. So answer you will get, what you are getting is A bar. Okay. So here what will we get? Here we will get B bar. This is B or C the whole bar. So at this point what will we get? B bar. Okay. What is B or C whole bar? According to De Morgan's law, you can write it as B or C bar is equal to B bar dot C bar. So here what will we get? This is B bar or B bar dot C bar. What is it? That is B bar and 1 or C bar. What is it? 1 or C bar is 1 itself, so answer is B bar. So here what we get? This is A bar dot B bar. Right? Okay. Here what we get is A bar dot B bar. Okay. Answer is A bar dot B bar. Okay. Now if you are simplifying it into a very simple logic. Okay. What is A bar dot B bar? A bar dot B bar is according to De Morgan's law. You can time it as A or B whole bar. Okay. So this logic circuit can be reduced into a NOR gate. Right? A or B whole bar. A. This logic circuit can be formed into a very simple, can be realized using only a single gate. Hope you have understood the concept of reducing the logic circuit into its simplest form. Okay. So with that I am ending with this lecture. Okay. So in this lecture what we have dealt with? In this lecture what we have dealt with is given a Boolean expression coming into a logic circuit. And next part is if you are given a logic circuit, how to derive a logic expression, and how to reduce the number of gates used for the circuit. And in the last question what we have dealt is we have reduced the number of gates which is used for the circuit, because we have simplified the expression and done with the requirement, that is reduce the following logic circuit is simplest form. So simplest form is using NOR gate. So in the next lecture what we are going to do is we are going to realize a Boolean expression using AOI logic. AOI means using AND or invert. Okay. Now from that from AND or invert, then how to if you are getting a AOI circuit, that means using AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. If you are getting a logic circuit, how to convert it into NAND gates only, how to convert it into NOR gates only. Okay, that means that entire logic circuit is converted into NOR gates only, using NOR gates only or NAND gates only. So that is the next part. Okay, so that will come in the next lecture. So thank you, wishing you all to be there for the next lecture. Thank you.